Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to fix Spotify keeps pausing, stopping randomly. So for that, what you have to do is that you have to make sure that your mobile is connected to a good Wi-Fi or maybe to a data. If both of them are working well or maybe one of them, then what you can do is that you have to open the Spotify app, and after that, once the app gets open, you have to click onto your profile icon, which is on the top left side of the screen. Once you tap onto it, then you have to click on settings and privacy, and after that you have to click on data saving and offline option, which is in between the page. Once you click onto it, you will see the first option, data saver. You have to simply turn it off. Once you have turned it off, the issue will be resolved. But let's say it's still there, it is not working, then in case, what you have to do is that you just have to simply go to the settings of the Spotify. So for that, you have to simply get back, hold on to Spotify icon, or you can go to its settings from the mobile settings directly. And then you have to go to its storage, then you have to clear its cache. And once it is done, you have to get back. Let's say the issue is still there, then you have to go to the app store, search for Spotify, and once you find it from the results, you have to open it up, and then you have to uninstall and reinstall it. This time the chances will be 100% that the issue will be resolved. So that's how you can fix Spotify keeps pausing randomly. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.